Hello everyone, this is Bilal. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how we can make AI product videos using Sora 2 that is absolutely for free. And we can make something like from this product to this video.
It's first thing in the morning. Dull, a little tired. I've been using this vitamin C serum from Dr. Rachel and it has been saving me. A couple drops right on the cheeks and I just press it in. It soaks in super fast and gives me that fresh glow without feeling sticky. Look at that, way more awake. Morning glow in a bottle. If your skin
So if you like this video, make sure to follow along this tutorial and you will exactly know how you can make awesome AI product videos like that. Before we start this tutorial, I wanted to let you know guys that I have been doing web scraping AI videos and related to AI and data work for the past 2-3 years doing freelancing. If you want to hire me guys, you can contact on my email shown on the screen so we can get connected. Now let's start with the tutorial. So if I open the Word file, you can see I handcrafted, basically I used ChatGPT to make this product prompt for Sora 2 that you guys can paste and make videos like this. So I have already copied this prompt, went to ChatGPT and said, okay, I'll show you the prompt. I said, make the prompt for Sora 2 using whatever my product is XYZ, you can put it here. And then you can also change the avatar if you want a boy or a man or a girl or anything or any scenario you can actually make like this and put the colon and make it will make something prompt like that for you. So you can see here we got the prompt. Now I will switch the screen to my iPhone screen because where I live is basically for my region Sora 2 is not available, so I will show you on my iPhone screen how we can do that. But you can also do this on your desktop if you are in the US region or anywhere where Sora 2 is available. Okay. So as you can see, we are on our phone screen. So as I told you, you can do this on your desktop. If Sora 2 is available in your region, you can also do this on your desktop and also on your phone. But it will work either way. So now we'll open the Sora app and then we'll click on the profile icon. And then once we are on the profile, we'll click on the plus icon. Once we are on the Sora create video screen, we will in the describe new video will paste in the prompt. You can just paste the same prompt that I showed you with your product inserted, and then you will check one time if that is correct. Yeah, that is correct. Now other than that, we'll click on the left side, you can see gallery, and we will for the reference image add our this serum photo, so it should Sora 2 should know that what it should be making the video for. Other than that, we will click on this Sora 2 drop down, and then for the duration we can make it to 15 seconds, so it should make the video for big or like long video for us. Now we will just click on this enter, and then we should be getting the video soon ready. Now it will take a few minutes, so I will fast forward this video, so I will show you the last result how we got it. So as you can see guys, we have generated the video. Let's see it together and the results we will see.
my skin looks so tired and dull and these little lines are starting to show. I started using this Lepore Age Miracle Serum. It's a super hydrator and honestly a lifesaver. Just a pump, press it in, and that's it. My skin instantly feels plump and look at that glow. If your face needs a little morning pick-me-up.
So if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.